I finished Witchcraft for Wayward Girls this week, and that's definitely not my usual kind of fantasy read. There is some witchcraft, but the real story is about unwed teenage girls in the 1970s who are sent away to have their babies in secret and forced to give them up. I had no idea this was an actual common practice in real life. The magical element comes in when a traveling librarian brings the girls a book on witchcraft, and the spells are really just more or less a way to feel some more control in this very rigid, structured house that they're living in. And their hope is really to help a friend escape her really heartbreaking life. It's beautifully written, but honestly, it was a heavy read for me. I didn't love it, and I probably wouldn't tell a friend that they need to read it, but it did open my eyes and I learned something. Meh.